This is a USB battery repair gadget that is being sold online, mostly from China, and in fact it has a digital display that has only in Chinese. But if you use Google Lens to translate, it says under repair when you are using it. It's supposed to clean the battery of your smartphone, no matter what brand it is, but it is also claiming that it will clean unwanted material. So I do not know what that would be, whether it will cause some problems with your
如何
phone.
使用手机电池
But
修
listen
复
to
器
this？ Chinese
今天就来
version.
教大家如何使用手机电池修复器，延长电池寿命，解决手机卡顿。前后 USB 输入口和输出口，首先插入电源插头，另一端插入电源充电线，
Then, as per normal, connect
插入手机进行电池修复。
through that gadget.
这里建议关闭手机再进行修复，
Showing Apple
每周2到3次，坚持5到8周修复。
in this gadget
有效提高手机电池使用寿命，解决手机卡顿，让手机更加耐用。
phone to
一起看一下修复后的效果吧。
better, start quicker. So I do not know whether there are any risks involved in terms of like the gadget having some kind of
使用手机修复器修复后，
phone or
有效提高了手机运行速度，
some malware inside, but it seems pretty
减少了接近9秒的开机时间。
如何使用手机电池修复器？
of course
今天就来